Hello there. Welcome to the world of circle geometry. We have circles around us, in donuts, in tires, a slice of a cucumber, and even the outline of an orange. Also, remember that the length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference. Have you heard the word chord before? Now, I know you might be thinking of spinal cord or musical chords, but I'm not talking about either of them. However, you may have seen an example of the chord I am talking about without even recognizing it. How, you may ask? Well, have you ever cut an orange in this manner? All right, now let's take a look at the line that was formed when you sliced the orange. That line is called a chord. So a chord is a line that touches the circumference at both ends. That's like if we were to slice the orange this way, that is, into two equal halves. Now, do we have a chord? Yes, we do. And it happens to be the diameter because it passes through the center. Amazingly, the diameter happens to be the longest chord in any circle. Let's look at some results of drawing a chord in a circle. Given this circle with a center at O, let us consider the resultant arcs. Remember that an arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle. So looking at our circle, this is the minor arc and this is the major arc. Another result of the presence of chords are segments. Just as you know, a chord divides a circle into parts. These parts are what we call the segments. The smaller segment is the minor segment, while the bigger segment is called the major segment. In circle geometry, we generally consider angles formed within and outside a circle. Let's take a look at this angle. It is called the angle subtended by a chord at the circumference. This is because it is an angle formed by two lines from this chord. Furthermore, these lines meet on the circumference, which is why it is called the angle subtended by the chord at the circumference. Whenever two or more angles are subtended from the same chord, these angles are said to be angles in the same segment. Come along as we explore the different results of dividing an orange like this. Oh, pardon me, I meant a circle. Before I go, let's have a quick recap. So, if we have this circle with center at O, what is this called? Yes, it is the circumference. How about this line? Yes, it is a chord. And this? Absolutely, it is a segment and the minor segment in this case. Make sure you keep these parts of the circle at the back of your mind. See you in the next lesson.